Hey folks, Mike here with Stone Coat Epoxy. Have your countertops, tabletops, desktops, and old worn surfaces seen better days? Don't toss it, coat it with Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. Are your countertops scratched, discolored, burned, or cracked? Have coffee cups left their mark? Has the water damage from your sink taken its toll? Don't be alarmed, Stone Coat Epoxy has you covered. The process is easy. Pick your color, pour your epoxy to a perfect finish. If you can use simple hand tools, you can do Stone Coat Epoxy over your old existing surfaces with ease.
I had no experience whatsoever, and look what I made. I love it.
Thank you, Stone Coat, for a great product that is DIY friendly. We just installed our new home countertops.
We got this!
Stone Coat Epoxy is do-it-yourself friendly. It's easy to use and there's no nasty smell. It's zero VOC, eco-friendly, and you get amazing first-time results. These surfaces are family-friendly and they're time-tested to handle real-world conditions. This stuff is tough. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Stone Coat Epoxy is heat resistant. We're gonna spray this alcohol right on this finished piece, light it up, and watch what happens. Woo-wee! Beautiful. Best of all, you won't break the bank because Stone Coat Epoxy is affordable.
This is my own countertop, and with 2 young kids, it's held up beautifully.
If you're on the fence about the durability of Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, well, check this out. I make longboards for a living with their epoxy. Very durable, very solid.
Stone Coat Epoxy is perfect for RVs, boats, trailers, and dream houses. From motorhomes to mega mansions, Stone Coat Epoxy will save you thousands on your next project. Don't spend thousands of dollars to save your surfaces. Come behind the scenes and follow our step-by-step downloadable, printable instructions and master in minutes what took us years to perfect. Best of all, our easy-to-follow tutorials are absolutely free.
This is the first project we did. Countertops, full backsplash at a bar. Had no idea how it would turn out, but it turned out amazing, and people can't believe that it's not granite.
Our video follow-along instructions cover some of our favorite colors, from Black Galaxy, Patina Copper, Blue Pearl, even Carrara Marble Honed, Ubatuba Granite, Baltic Brown, striated earth tone techniques, and we have black marble, classic quartz, and honed soapstone.
Stone Coat Countertops has inspired me to do my kitchen island, build my own countertops, and remodel my bathroom. If I can do this, anyone can. You got this.
Don't settle for cheap imitations. You can mimic Mother Nature for realistic finishes and remodel in a weekend. With over 902 5-star reviews, Stone Coat Epoxy is customer tested and contractor approved.
Hey, Brian Gary, American Builder. I'm on one of my construction sites. Guess what we're using for the model room? That's right, 34 floors of apartment buildings. And the model has Stone Coat Countertops. You know why? Because Stone Coat Countertops is approved by Brian Gary. More importantly, it's approved by American Builder. Guess what they always say to me? And they're right. You got this.
You got this. Laminate, solid surface, natural stone, quartz, and even concrete can cost thousands. Your Stone Coat Epoxy project costs only $5 a square foot. That's unbelievable.
I want to thank Stone Coat for the best epoxy I've ever used. We use Stone Coat Epoxy in our firehouse, and if it lasts through that, believe me, it'll last through you. I have a sample right here. We're gonna roll over this puppy with an 86,000 pound ladder truck. Getting a little bit nervous. What do you guys think? Now that's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Stone Coat from Paul's Toolbox. You got this.
No need to bust your budget. Our full half-gallon kit and 2 of our magic metallics is just $80. But wait, there's more. Act now and we'll slash while supplies last. Pick any 2 of our color additives to choose your recipe of choice, and we'll give you the metallics and the epoxy for only $49.95.
Mike, are you crazy?
This kit will cover a large vanity countertop. We're not done yet. We have 10 additives that will create these 10 colors that I've showed. This is a fun process and you don't have to choose. While supplies last, right now, if you order, all 10 metallics and glitters are included, so your recipe can be customized to exactly what you want. This complete kit usually sells for $180. Act now, because we've taken it to $49.95. That's unbelievable.
This is insane!
We may be insane, but wait, there's still even more. Do you want to knock out the high gloss? Create the sheen of your dreams and mimic honed stone. Order right now and we'll throw in our free honing disc. Do you have a jumbo size project? You can supersize your kit to a full gallon. This will cover a 20 square foot project. You're going to get all of our metallic additives, our glitters, our honing disc, all for just the low price of $89.95. Here's how to order. Visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call 541-450-1976 and discover all the products used in this video. With our half-gallon Stone Coat Epoxy kit, you can do 10 square feet of an epoxy vanity to make your bathroom transform. If you upgrade to our jumbo kit, you can do 20 square foot. That's a small kitchen. You can do all of those colors that we showed in this video with our epoxy kit and get your kitchen transformed. Just listen to what our customers have to say about their experience with Stone Coat Epoxy.
Hey guys, Ron and Draculas here, RK3 Designs. We exclusively use Stone Coat Countertop products to teach the next generation of professionals and DIYers like you.
We love Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy for the endless possibilities we can create. Our only limitation is our imagination.
On this project here, we were able to replicate the look of natural wood grain. We got this!
I love Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy products. This is a table that we made. It was so easy and turned out so good and so much fun.
I started using Stone Coat a little less than a year ago, and it was so successful and easy to use that I was able to quit my day job and do countertops full time.
Stone Coat Epoxy is made in the USA.
I've been using Stone Coat Countertops Epoxy for about a year now, and I love it. It outperforms any that I've used in the past, and their customer service is unbeatable. Thanks, guys.
I've never worked with epoxy before. This was my first project ever, and I decided to tackle a big one. You're able to get cool veins, cool color combinations. Really, it's at your whim what you'd like to develop. I love the fact that I have an undermount sink with an MDF countertop. Who needs granite when you have Stone Coat Countertops? Thanks, Mike. You got this.
Remember, to order, go to stonecoatcountertops.com or call 541-450-1976. At the end of this video, we have an option to click to order. So go to the end of the video and click to order now. Here's our colors you're going to get included in your kit while supplies last. We have our black glitter that resembles that natural stone speckle that you see in Mother Nature. All of our metallics disperse well in this product. It gives you that three-dimension look, and all the effects do the work for you. We have our copper metallic made with actual copper. It resembles the beauty of copper without the mess. We have our silver glitter that's holographic, our coffee metallic, our black metallic, our rainforest green, and finally, our most popular color, the white metallic that resembles the quartz and Carrara marble found in Mother Nature. Weekend warriors, do-it-yourselfers, designers, contractors, and more all love our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy Ultimate Kits. You have the design on a dime. Hurry, get this done, because you're going to want to get started and be one of those verified customers telling everybody how much you love your project.
I love how they sound, how they play, and I love my Stone Coat Countertop table. Sycamore, 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 gold in the center.
A year and a half ago, I had never built a thing. But after watching the Stone Coat Countertop videos and using their product, I built this. Thank you, Stone Coat.
Stone Coat Countertops rocks.
I went to stonecoatcountertops.com so I can get this, so I can make this. You can too. You got this.
With Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, you can make artwork, whiteboards, lazy susans, tables, countertops, and more. With Stone Coat, you got this.
You haven't used Stone Coat Countertops? Just have a look.
I use it exclusively. I started my own business, and I have my first showing at a local restaurant in Raffles Land. Thank you, Stone Coat. You rock.
some MDF, some scrap wood, some spray paint, and Stone Coat Countertop products. I was able to come up with something for my mantle that I will cherish for the rest of my life, I guess.
Don't forget, you get to choose your sheen level. Our honing disc will take your shine down to honed. If you want that look, you now have the option for free while supplies last. Go ahead and check out our video on how to hone your surface to make it matte finish, low sheen, and resemble soapstone and Carrara marble. Limited to 5 kits per customer.
You guys better hurry because this deal won't last.
Guys, we had so much fun making this video. It was an absolute blast. If you got any value out of this content, crush that like button, share this with your friends, help this video get seen. Guys, visit our website anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video. All right, folks, it's time to order. Click right here. This deal's not gonna last. Just click that button. It'll bring you right to our site at stonecoatcountertops.com. Are you okay? Let's do it again. That'll be the outtakes.